Hello fashionists, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design, where we keep you update on all the latest trends and style. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Today we are diving into the world of elegant bodycon dresses and mermaid bodycon dresses, some of the hottest trends right now. Whether you have a fancy event coming up or just want to feel fabulous, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is bodycon dress? The term bodycon comes for body concierge, which means these dresses are designed to fit snugly and show off your curves. Made from stretchy fabrics, bodycon dresses are comfortable yet flattering. The beauty of a bodycon dress is its ability to enhance your natural shape while being versatile enough for any evening event. For formal classes to casual dinner parties, these dresses can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Let's explore some of the trending style in plus size bodycon dresses right now. First on the list in the classic and black bodycon dresses and elegant bodycon dresses. You cannot go wrong with these timeless pieces. It's sleek, elegant and perfect for any evening affair. You can add a pop of color with accessories or go for a look with matching shoes and bag. Next we have the floral print bodycon dresses. Floral patterns are a great way to add a fun or feminine touch to your outfit, whether it's a blurred, vibrant print or a more subtle patterns. Floral prints can make you stand out while keeping your look chic. Another popular style is the off-the-shoulder bodycon dress. This design highlights your shoulder and adds a bit of drama. It's a fantastic choice for formal event or a night out with friends. You can pair it with statement earring for an extra touch of elegance. And let's not forget the high silk bodycon dresses. The high silk add a touch of glamour and spociance. It's perfect for those night and when you want to make a statement, choose a dress with a silk that you feel comfortable with, and you will be turning heads in no time. Now that you know what styles are trending, you might be wondering where to find these fabulous dresses. Here are some great places to start. Online retailers like popular online stores offer a wide variety of elegant bodycon dresses. They have filters that let you sort by size, colors, and style, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. If you prefer shopping in person, local boutiques and department stores often have beautiful selection. Stores like interest local stores name are Roth checking out of unique found and personal shopping experience. For those on a budget, do not overlook the sale section of your favorite stores. You can often find stunning dress at a fabric fraction of the original price, so keep an eye out for discounts and promotions. Let's dive into some styling tips to make the most of your plus size bodycon dresses. When wearing a bodycon dresses, accessories can make a huge difference. OPT for statement jewelry, a sleek clutch or a stylish belt to complement your dress. Adding a blazer, shark or chemo can give your dress a different look while adding some coverage if needed. It's also a great way to transition from day to night. I have received a lot of question about bodycon dresses, so let's answer a few. And are bodycon dresses only formal event? Not at all. Bodycon dresses can be dressed up or down. You can wear them to casual outings with the right accessories or dress them up for a more formal event. How can I feel more comfortable in a bodycon dresses? The key is to find a dress that fits well and makes you feel confident. Make sure it's made up from a stretchy fabrics that moves with you, and consider wearing shapewear for extra sports. It's always a good idea to check the size guide before purchasing. If you are shopping online, many stores offer any easy return or exchange. If the dress does not fit as expected, I do not love to hear from you. Which plus size bodycon dresses style do you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comment below and let's chat about it. And if you have any fashion question or need advice, feel free to ask. I am here to help. That's what for today's video. I hope you enjoy exploring these trendy plus size evening bodycon dresses with me. If you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in these fabulous styles. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Fashion Design and hit the notification bell so you always up to date with the latest fashion trends. You have got so much more exciting content coming your way. First up, let's talk about with the bodycon dresses. Actually, bodycon stand for body conscious, which means these dresses are designed to you or hug your curves and show off your shape. They are usually made from stretchy fabrics that fit snugly but are still super comfortable. And the best part, they come in all kinds of styles and colors, so you can find the perfect one for evening event. Plus size bodycon dresses are amazing because they highlight your curves beautifully while making you feel confident and stylish. Now let's check out some of the hottest plus size evening bodycon dresses trending right now. First we have the classic black bodycon dress. It's a timeless choice that never goes out of style. You can dress you can dress it up with some sparkling accessories or keep it simple for a sleek look. Next up is the dress with blurred prints and patterns. If you love standing out, a dress with bright colors or unique design will definitely grab attention. Pair it with some chic heels and you are ready to turn heads. Another great trend is of the shoulder bodycon dresses. It's perfect for showing off your shoulder and giving a bit of drama to your outfit. These styles work beautifully and evening occasions, from cocktail parties to fancy dinner. So where can you find these amazing, elegant bodycon dresses? Many online stores offer a wide range of options. Websites like have fantastic selections that cater to different taste and budget. You can also check out the local boutique and department store. Sometimes shopping in person allows you to try on the dresses and see which ones fit and flatter you the best. If you are looking for some budget friendly option, do not forget to check out sales and discount section. You can score beautifuls and dresses without breaking the bank. So leave a comment below and let me know which dresses was your favorite, or if you have any other fashion topics you will do not like us to cover. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Fashion Design for more fashion tips and trends. We have lots of exciting content coming your way, and you do not want to miss out. That is today for video. I hope you enjoy checking out these elegant bodycon dresses with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.